Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Day's Delight. On today's episode, we're going to have this lovely okra soup. So to start with my tomato blend, I have some fresh tomatoes, some red bell peppers. I've taken the seeds out. You can choose to leave them in. And I added some fennel seeds, some fresh rosemary, some garlic, some Scotch bonnet, some onions, some ginger. You can choose to make it more spicy and add more chilies as well. I'm adding some water to blend. To start with our okra soup, make sure your pot is hot and mine is on a medium-high heat. And I'm using some goat meat and cow tripes, which is called shaki, and I'm adding some salt to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So as you can see, our meat has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes now, and this technique releases its natural flavors and also tenderizes the meat quickly. And I added some stock fish, which you can use in a salted fish or cured fish, which is called momoni in the G language in Ghana. And I added my tomato blend and I rinsed the blender with some water and I added to it. So we are going to mix everything together, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thank you. And now I'm adding my shrimp seasoning, which I use smoked shrimp and onion and a bit of water. You can choose to use any seasoning of your choice. And I'm adding some cow skin, which I parboiled with water and some bay leaves to make our cooking easier. I'm going to leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. So on a medium heat, I added some water to my pan to cook my okra. I added some smoked shrimps. You can choose to add any seasoning of your choice. And here is my okra heads, which I blended with some water. I don't throw my okra heads away. And here I slice the rest as well. You can choose to blend everything, but I love some texture in my okra soup. And I'm going to add some baking soda as well to make it draw more. And I'm adding some onions for just some textures and aroma. You're going to cook it for about 10 minutes. So as you can see, I'm using 2 pots. So as you can see, my okra has been cooking, and now I'm going to add some blended jute leaves, which is called Ayoyo or ademe. And we are going to mix everything together. If you don't have that, you can use spinach as well. So as you can see, our tomato has been cooking with our meat and it smells so good. So now I'm going to add some seafood to our okra soup. You know seafood doesn't take long to cook, so this is the perfect time to add it to your okra soup. So I'm adding some crabs, some prawns, some octopus. I didn't take the shells on the prawns. You can choose to take yours if you want. And I'm adding some dawadawa, which is called locust beans in English. And I added some salt and some all-purpose seasoning with some smoked prawns. I'm telling you, this okra soup is going to be delicious. You're going to leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. So as you can see, our seafood has been cooking for about 15 minutes and it's done. I'm telling you, this okra soup is going to be delicious. I'm not adding any palm oil to this okra soup. You can choose to add palm oil if you like. And now I'm adding my okra, and look at that. I choose to cook my okra separately because I want it to draw more. You can choose to add your raw okra to your soup. I'm telling you, this okra soup, please don't miss out. It's going to be delicious. And I'm going to garnish it with some onion and some chilies. And we're going to leave it to cook for just 5 to 10 minutes. Now our okra soup is ready. Look at my crab and my prawns and my wele. Please bring your bowl of banku and come for some lovely soup. And to all my lovely subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.